back to my channel, my air zone. In this lesson, you'll be learning basic moves. Let's start with the U. U is for the upper layer. U is going clockwise. U prime is going counterclockwise, so it's the opposite way. Now let's move on to F. F is for the front. F is going clockwise, like the same as U. F prime is going counterclockwise, the opposite way. R is the right side. R is going up. R prime is going down. Well, and now L is for the left side. L is going down, and L prime is going up. Thank you for watching. Bye!